St. John Vianney's Girls Higher Secondary School, Palliyadi. First term, Unit 1, Prose, Hobby turns a successful career. In that we are going to see exercises. Already we have seen the lesson. So today we are going to see all the exercises. True or false? Say true or false. That you have to answer. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Hobbies are unique to people. People have hobbies only to pass time. So write the answers in your notebook. We will check it. Then again, true or false? Ajay Karg is an artist. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So we are going to see, have you written all the answers? Now we can check the answers whether it's true or false. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. That's false. We know Mani's hobby is writing. Hobbies are unique to people. Yes, of course. It's true. People have hobbies only to pass time. It is not only to pass the time, it is beneficial, useful also. So it's false. Ajay Karg is an artist. Yes, he is an artist. That's true. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That's also true. Now choose the correct answer. Mani imagined a world with options: music and musicians, building and sculptures, magic and magicians. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately, describe them fluently, describe them imaginatively. Mani feels writing is like painting the voice, engraving the voice, designing the voice. So please write the answers in your note. We can check the answers now. Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately. Mani feels writing is like painting the voice. See, the answers are there. You can see the answers clearly. Then, now the filling the blanks. Mani feels writing is like dash. Ajay mastered the techniques of dash. Ilavalahi won her first match against dash. See the answers. Mani feels writing is like painting ideas in words. We can see in the book. Mani feels writing is like painting ideas in words. Ajay mastered the techniques of preparing colors and brushes. Ilavalahi won her first match against her father. These are the answers. You can check in your notes. Now we are going to find out the synonyms for the words. Writing is a unique hobby. Options they have given: common, beneficial, uncommon, separate. Ajay started to paint happily. For the happily, depressed, joyfully, unhappily, sadly. Miniature painting depicts Indian culture. The word depict, meaning of depict or portray, twist, falsify. Let us see which one is the correct answer. Writing is a unique hobby. Unique means uncommon. Unique means uncommon. Ajay started to paint happily. Happily means joyfully. Depict means portray. Depict means portray. Now we have to find out the antonyms for the given words. Ajay suffered an injury. Sorrow, endure, hurt, mourn. You have to find out the opposite word for suffered. Ajay mastered the techniques of painting. Mastered opposite, skilled maybe, proficient, unskilled, experience. Ilavalahi won world championship. One opposite, we have to find out. Options: win, succeed, defeat, well skilled. Let us see. Ajay suffered an injury. The answer is suffered, hurt. Suffered, opposite word, hurt. Suffered means நானே வருத்திக்கிறது. Hurt means நான் இன்னொரு ஆளை வருத்துறது. So suffered opposite, hurt. Then Ajay mastered the techniques of painting. Ajay mastered the techniques of painting. So let us see the answer. What is the mastered? Mastered means talented, no? Mastered means talented. That means skillful. But the opposite word for that, unskilled. The opposite word for that, unskilled. Now the last one, Ilavalahi won world championship. One opposite, defeat. One opposite, defeat. Now the next we can see. So now we are going to see, answer the following questions. What was Ajay gifted with? How was he honored? Did Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? And some more questions also there. What happened to Ajay at the age of 3? What did Asha Devi teach Ajay? Why writing is beneficial according to Mani? Now we can see the answers for the questions. The first question, what was Ajay gifted with? You see the answers? From the question we can start. Ajay was gifted with these things in the questions itself. Ajay was gifted with the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. அரிசினாலேயே ஓவியம் வரைகிறதுல அவன் ரொம்ப திறமையாக இருந்தான். Ajay was gifted with the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. How was he honored? Ajay was awarded a national award of accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So we know how he was honored. Ajay was awarded a national award of accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now the third question, what is Ajay's current goal? Ajay's current goal is revitalizing the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. See, Ajay's current goal, that is in the question itself, is revitalizing the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. அதாவது இந்தியாவில் அழிந்து கொண்டிருந்த அந்த சிறிய ஓவியங்களை, பழைய பழங்காலத்து இந்த சிறிய ஓவியங்களை மீண்டு எடுத்து கொண்டு வருவதுதான் அஜயுடைய கோலாக இருந்தது. Did Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? Yes, Ajay's hobby became a successful career. He was ready to learn and develop his skills. So அவன் ரெடியா இருந்தான். அவனுடைய திறமையை படிப்பதற்கு, அதை வளர்த்துக் கொள்வதற்கு he was ready. So yes, Ajay's hobby became a successful career. He was ready to learn and develop his skills. What happened to Ajay at the age of 3? He suffered an injury at the age of 3. Yes, You know that he suffered because of that only he became deaf, So what happened to Ajay at the age of 3? He suffered an injury at the age of 3. What did Asha Devi teach Ajay? Asha Devi taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. Asha Devi taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. Asha Devi எதை teach பண்ணாங்க? அந்த traditional Indian miniature painting அவனுக்கு teach பண்ணாங்க. Now the next question. I think this is the last question for us. Why writing is beneficial according to Mani? Writing is beneficial according to Mani as it made him to learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. So he feels writing is beneficial. அது ரொம்ப பயனுள்ளது according to Mani. ஏன்னா it made him to learn new things. புதுசா அவனுக்கு படிக்கலாம் and enjoy every moment of his life. அவன் எழுதுறதுனால அவனுடைய வாழ்க்கையின் ஒவ்வொரு நொடி பொழுதையும் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்றான். So he says writing is beneficial according to Mani as it made him to learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. So இதுலயும் first பாத்தீங்கன்னா கொஸ்டின் எடுத்து எழுதிப்பாங்க. Writing is beneficial according to Mani. So then we have to write as it made him to learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. So thank you.